Hello guys, today we're going to open this Christmas calendar and I kind of made a rule. So if you have it in January all the way to October, you can open it. And it's January right now, so I'm going to open this whole thing. I kind of did open it a little bit and I got this little polar bear snowman squishy thing. Now let's open the next one. Number 2. Yeah. Okay, let's see what I got. I can't get it out of there, Mom. Ow. Oh, got it. What the? Oh wait, it's a piano pod thing.
It's a pea pot.
It's a what the? And it's also a keychain. I saw one of these before. Yeah. Yay. And then it's Older Brothers. Okay. 2 down. 22 more to go. Okay. Number 3. Yep. Ah. Oh, I got a Christmas tree poppet. Oh, it's kind of cute. It's just kind of hard to pop. Okay. 3 down, 21 more to go. Okay, where's number 4? Number 4 is right here. Ooh, got it. Okay. Oh, I got one of these things. I don't know what they're called, but I got one of these things. Oh, dang. Yeah. We got one of these. Okay. 4 down, 20 more to go. Number 5 is up here. And we got another squishy that's a little stocking. 19 more to go. Number 6. Ooh. Oh. We got one of these spiral things. We're getting so much fidget. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Wait, what number did we just open? Number 6. Number 7. Right here. And it's another squishy that's a little candy cane. Wait, that's something on the back. Oh. It's a little candy cane squishy. We're getting so much squishy so far. Little squishy. Now number 8. Yeah, there it is. What the? What in the world is this? Hello.
Little hand.
Okay.
What day are you now?
I'm on day 8 and now I'm about to get to day 9. Oh. Yep. No. I kind of need a little help more. Oh wait. Oh, I had one of these before, but my teacher took it away. the teachers in my school took it away because a fifth grader reflected it into the roof.
Ceiling.
Okay, it's a little chicken, a flying chicken. Now number 10. What is this?
It's a clip.
Wait, what? Is it a hair clip?
It's a paper clip, I guess.
I think it is. It's a little stockings paper clip. Okay, now number 11. Ooh. Ow. Mom, I need help. Oh, it's a puzzle brick.
Nice.
Now number 12. 12. Okay. Wait. Oh, it's a little bear car. It's so cute. Okay. Now time for number 13. Ow.
Let's see.
What number 14?
You can knock the whole thing.
It's a little Santa thing. One of my friends have the same one as this,
It's a
but
keychain.
it's kind of different. Wait, what number was that?
13.
Okay, now time for number 14.
What do you think? What do you think is inside?
I don't know.
Give a guess.
One of those tubey things. Oh wait, I was almost right. Ooh, yes. Well, I have one of these, right, Bob?
Right, similar.
Yeah, kind of
It
similar.
goes to your wrist. It's like a bracelet.
Yeah, but I don't think. No, wait, it is like that.
Yeah. Okay, what's next? Number 15.
15.
Where's number 15? Right here.
Wait, what? Where? Oh. I think it's another car.
Not the whole paper.
What?
Let's see.
Yeah. Yep, it's another car. And it's a little yellow.
Let me see.
It's a little yellow race car.
It's a tiny race car.
Now it's time for number 16. It's pretty small.
It's so small, huh?
Uh-huh. What the? Oh wait, it's one of these things.
Mm-hmm. Top. It's a top.
Yeah.
We're almost done. What's next?
Number 17. And it's one of our first big ones. Oh, ow. That actually hurts. No, wait, it's a maze.
That's cute.
And it's kind of good. Is there anything else? No. Okay, number 18. Come on. Ooh. Hey, we got another one.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a little bear.
Mm-hmm. It's
Now
red this time.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No, the blue one is Rudolph.
Oh, okay. Next, 19.
Yep, where is
Top left.
top? Ah.
Hard.
And it's a ring, and Santa ring.
Nice.
Oh, now number 20. And I think it's a wristband. Oh, it is. It's a Christmas tree one.
That's cute.
Now number 21. Oh, and I think it's a hair tie or something.
That's nice. I think it's,
Oh, it's a kind of like a ring.
yeah. It's stretchy, huh?
Not that much.
Really cool.
Number 22. A ball. It's the same as this one, but it's a cube.
It's a circle one.
Yeah, number 23 that I already kind of opened it. We're almost there. This one, it's the one we've been waiting for. And number 23 is just toothpick.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what we've been waiting for is 24, and it's this little Christmas
That's a
tree.
25.
Yeah, it's a Christmas tree puppet.
All right. So that's all?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Now let's break it.
Okay.
I bought this for $5 because it wasn't Christmas anymore. Mom, look behind you.
So which one is your favorite?
I think this one is my favorite one.
Yes, it's silly. All right. Say bye-bye.